Go pick up my son.
Alright, come.
Roger Tash Production. New beginning. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah.
Tyson!
Father, who this?
Agent Pebbles.
Oh, the next agent this. Listen, the next agent selling me out, you know.
Who that?
What do you mean by who that? Gonna fuck. I need about money.
Yeah.
See me? A couple $1 million when my college, you know. I'm just walk with some of the money. See me? Bounce my dog with some of the money and the man grab, sell the man come grab my money, brother.
You have to get back the money.
The agent corrupt.
So you don't know dog blood a thief long time.
You don't know dog blood. Them know dog blood, a fee, my wife. Try to make dog blood kill me, you know. So make we deal with the matter, please and thanks.
Alright.
Anyway, dog blood them, you need to find him.
Alright, come in.
Bad Indian, right in, brother.
Yeah.
Fool the
That's a
man.
bad Indian.
Yeah, man.
Fool the man.
How do you tell the farmer, son?
I'm a brother, man. I'm an agent. What me leave talking, bro? Because I go for the running, you know. You have to meet me like you, yeah? So far.
Alright.
Fool the
I'm
man.
sour.
Big up the agent. Yo. Be a fuck queen of dog.
What going, bro?
Brother, you know say. After I gave the thing last night, go up on my date, brother, and I go in. A boy grab my bag out of the road also.
That's it to me.
No joke thing there, but I tell you, say, bro. I the same police boy. When the woman said to kill me.
Boy, dog blood.
My father, but I know say boy a police dog. But watch
Sure,
you know.
dog.
Brother, me I take off my head, you know.
You have to go page the boy, dog.
Watch you know, I'm going to deal with that man, me I link you. So lift up a thing and pull on to me, you hear that?
Alright, let's see how what, man.
Alright. Must be mad. The second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have links to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fight, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the harder the fight, make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down Obia? Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man a set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money, run a program. No, in my face too much.
When Timothy can spark, how this a call me? Oh, stepper.
Yeah, dog blood. We sure you there?
Me dep on my black man, you come link me?
You there warm? Alright, you are come check here now.
Alright, me there, man.
Me tell you to watch over my son and make them rob my son.
Rob your son.
Don't move.
Yeah.
No, yo, don't move. Watch you.
Me not tell you to stay in my car.
You know what's clear.
Yo, what is?
Dog blood. What me tell you for me Simone? Eh? You make man rob me?
Step on what is?
Yo, step
mean
back.
what
in.
is?
Yo. Yo. Dog blood. On Monday.
Yo, which money?
Which money? Yo, me see up on the video now. You make man rob me? Matter of fact.
Brother,
Talking.
shut the shop, my dog.
Hey boy, I'm telling you, number the date number, man. You see me? I'm even put one in the head. Bleed me a little for bleed out. Yeah? Police boy.
You don't know, dog.
Come on. Dead boy.
But your son is a hot-head stepper.
Well, I know me can't believe we're just look.
Oh, you know when he put himself in a trouble.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah.
Come.
Father. Yo. You only left me.
Why? You shouldn't do that, man. You shouldn't do that,
do what?
Tyson. You shouldn't kill him.
Yo,
You shouldn't do that. I say police and
Yo, me tell you this. I'm done. He squad here man, you know. I'm see my
yeah,
father.
but you still shouldn't shoot him.
In time, come. I want to tell you, I'm not just say me nine and them father.
Alright, son.
Alright, better than stop talking to you. Matter of fact, yo, come drop you off. Imagine you have access to a gun, but you don't have the access to the funds.
You can hear me? No, sir. Just got to my finger.
I'm Muslim.
Yes, my love, see them.
They don't want finger?
Girl, I never say I go do my nail. Say I go do my finger. I don't have it.
Not bad.
They say, good day. Have you see you?
Come on, tell me.
They walk. I don't want Indian man. No, I don't hear him. I say no. But I'm going to walk. Come. So me only back at me. Yes, I'm look back. So come here. I fling a piece of ear on. I say no. Come on. Look at me. I'm here. The arm. I know something big. You could get me. So me the key keep me. I say yeah. I feel something pop up round there.
No.
Yes, so I look him. I say, can I give you a drive?
You don't take it.
Grandma say, I see your time I live in there, so I'm not jumping nothing. So I say, it's okay, but you can leave your number. And girl boy, give me number now. You get number.
Your number there. See number.
Hey. You know your friends there already.
Yeah, me a papa show. I'm alone have that number. I'm not left my ties. So.
You can't call yourself papa show. As you're talking this and talking, I want them to say the ties name. Yeah, I'm going in there and give him a look up here or something. See, but why not look bad? Yeah, there's a boy with a piece of food.
Allah. Nice to get what? Piece of what?
Yes, girl, but yes, the boy come with things. You have to go dig it now. You have to go dig that boy there.
Yeah, my man.
Yeah, you know, I always look good. I always say money and nice things.
Money, I'm gonna drink back juice.
No, the time I now watch that.
Roger Tosh. New beginning. Wah, 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 wah.
Talk about when me asleep, the eye open. I close the eye close now. The talk about when time.
Hold up, man.
I'm me bill you.
Easy,
You
man.
let me tell you that already.
What you do, man?
I be a fuck you are going with. He all look at top of man.
That's easy, man.
What you can do now?
That's easy, man.
I'm me bill you. I'm me gonna break you.
Yeah.
So
That's
don't
easy.
play with me. I'm meaning radical. Remember that.
Daughter. No, you have it, you know.
Have my half what? You didn't know so I can't charge you for assault?
Did I touch you?
You didn't know I can't charge you for assault?
Me touch myself.
Watch yourself, you hear that?
Of course, me I watch it. More problem again, you know. Rasta problem, more problem.
have a little issue, and I'm so glad that I have you in the force.
How am now? Don't tell me so the boy I give a problem, you know?
No, it's not him. It's his crazy ex.
Talk to me.
Girl, she's been so annoying. I needed to do me a favor. I needed to kidnap her for me.
You want me to kidnap her? You sure about that? And remember me no ramp with people?
I'm 100% sure. Just get the job done.
Alright.
Her name is Barbs.
So friend, is a Dolly I give a problem?
Yes, girl.
Tell me more.
She come from the ghetto as well, like Tyson. So I'm going to give you the address and you just deal with it for me.
Just send me a picture on my phone. No worry yourself, friend.
Hold on. I don't want Bob see this. Hey, girl, Babs. Hey, girl, Babs. You want to sell out to no girl, you know that?
Sell out. Look at downtown, look at the rare.
Hey, girl, you're not ready yet.
Me not ready. You owe me for stand up and watch you kill my man. My husband to be a crazy.
I never plan to kill him, but I want to take my knees, so I'm willing.
You're full of rhyme now. You're turn artist. But guess what? Me stepping in your head like dog shit.
All me know, you think me another person, but me not smart way for play with the Babs.
All you depend, I just play. You think I dolly house business? Move out and move here.
Oh, it's been a while, Pebbles. Oh, I miss you.
Oh, I'm to your stepper. You don't say I'm a baby.
Okay.
Babes, you know say one girl I give my friend money problem and she want me fix her. What you think?
Oh, you need my permission? You don't need my permission. Remember, I'm a commissioner of police and you're my baby.
Oh, that's why I love you so.
Babs, you're going with.
What on earth, Indian?
Babs, you know, see a big thing you're going from what you do. You need to calm down yourself, you know, Babs.
You can't tell me what to do. How when my problem become your problem?
But Tyson, my friend, I stressed out the man.
That I hear and Tyson business. Tyson and when blood clots self.
You go and tell the man last you. You know the man is not good already.
Head not good already. You and Tyson baby badness to not go on with. Move out of my rash way to a posh you for go work, boy.
So wait, Esme never cook the something to never cook. And so much thing in the fridge to cook. This people not easy. What you pay them for? No sir. Me can't go look nothing over to go to the fridge this time for cook. Go do something light.
Auntie, Uncle bring woman in the house.
Alright, thanks. But that germ step I think him around with. Watch man, you can go pay the price of that carrot woman and miles.
Names are go out. They say look wild though. They might have to go outside, you know.
So you just need to calm down yourself as me and say babes.
Are you go out somewhere wild man? Can you know me jealous and him so.
You know I have to go and look the money.
True that still. You think about it, babe, me just, you know, I want to know say no bad company or but there you know no bad happen to you and me no, I don't know me that money. What me?
I know Tyson I'm real, but I'm have my back and me have feedback, you see me?
Tyson, well, I you know, you know. Your friend, my friend, so you feel like the Tyson good enough? I don't know, how you say me a rep.
I'm waiting for you, man.
Bro, let me see. What the next door name again?
Bad Indian.
I did, bro.
There, bro. I queen this.
Yeah,
queen
bro.
Pash.
Hi.
Pash, you know, the behavior, I mean, say, you're going to be a thing and talk, be a thing about me, you know.
Me?
Then you have a manager, you know.
No, bro.
Cool, no bad. So I go and Pash.
Not too much.
Make sure you take care of my friend, you know.
Like always, make him tell you.
Tough to know, you know.
Yeah, bro.
Fool you.
Believe, man.
The ears, you make some money.
Eh?
Yes, my love.
How you hear that?
For yourself.
Pash, look like session we would it, you know. Pash, big up yourself. Bad India, me have a look at that, brother.
Ah, bro.
Do I look nice?
Bad Indian. Let's try that, dog.
Oh, boy.
If you tell the cat about the food, bro, remember say me alone know that. You tell the cat bro. See me? Next thing, bro. I'm a real friend from a long time, but I'll be honest with you that. The girl look like say she's a taker dog.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, the girl look like say she got dig your pocket dog. Like she really I love thing in the dog. You so she pretty up and dolly up herself too. That girl that in the brother. Money them girl they want, bro. Now I tell if your girl in there, bro. But that girl, I tell you that.
I keep my eyes open.
I keep your eyes open. So shall I look at me? I go dig at that, yeah? Remember me tell you. Come here.
What's my name? Never who that the drum just thinking my play with it now. Tell Stepper. So if you play with me, you know, I'm gonna face the consequence, you know. And he really thinks I joke him, I joke with Radical, you know. No boy!
What is for, babe?
Ever this me!
What is for?
You don't know what you do.
Jesus Christ. What me do?
What kind of man you bring in the house?
What kind of woman bring in your house, babes?
You don't know, so you have to ramp with me, boy.
Me not do nothing, babes.
I mean, you're
lie them a tell for me, man. I lie them a tell for me.
You know you have a peer for it, they tell you already.
Babes, I mean not do
no play with fire because you're going to get burned.
nothing, man.
What do you mean you know nothing? You bring woman coming out the house.
No, I lie, I know me. Jesus Christ. Oh, they shot me. Monique! Monique! Jesus
Uncle
Christ,
Stepper, what
man,
happened? Put pressure on it. What happened? I heard gunshots.
I get shot, Monique.
Who
Radical
shot you?
Shot me.
She's why did she shot you?
Say she hears me car woman at the house.
Jesus Christ. Okay, no, we can't report this because she'll go to jail.
She fi go jail, man. Ras mad woman, man.
Uncle, just put pressure on it. We're going to call her or Dr. Friend Abel, okay?
Okay.
Babes, you make key, no?
Yeah, which key? No boy not drive my car.
Babes, I move, sir.
What you mean how me move, so? Me said no boy not drive this. Me not ask for tell me I tell you.
Jano?
Yeah, Jano, all the passengers see. I'm going with this. Come if you come now.
Why money? Different kind of lifestyle, I say, you know. That's a nice one. What? Boy, I'm going to come live with me and I get a work. But you can't just give up all of this. Because I'm going to think I give it up to you. Nice.
I can come and visit.
They don't know everything good, man. Live more and live with my man. Live in I think, you know.
No.
No, I'm on face to say. Come here, no? Give me a hug. Be a drama going on, no, me need you, know. Be a drama go on.
With that crazy ex of yours, I don't think I'm gonna come there today.
She at least a problem, you know, say. Shoot her dog with that.
What?
Yeah, man, because remember.
Hi, so we talk about this.
Yeah, we did, but watch you know, understand what I'm doing. You know, say after me, I go find it when I man don't grab me.
So why didn't you say anything?
Find out she a dog with it. I don't know why I'm not saying anything, but I never talk to you. Just to reach your foot, you know. So, just I get to tell you. But I don't know, it's hard to put on a lifestyle that I put on for a long time, you know. I have to take it up back. I'm not when nobody kill me. I wonder if the police boy dead in there or not, I'm not even sure, but if he's not dead, I know I'm more drama than that.
I know.
Yeah, I mean, say a bag of things I want to play here too.
Yeah, and Radical shot Uncle.
Yeah, shot my father. Father nah behave himself, man. Me hear say I can't bring in the house, you know. My father a big man, you know. He behave himself now.
Yeah, that was very out of order.
You know, go on like him young. Same police girl, me hear say they up there with him today. But I don't know what to say about that, you see me? See him busy, I have to deal with that anymore, you see me? You me a future. You know what I mean? Put more put a ring on your finger, you know. And one on your toes, you know. Nice material, man. Can't tear up, no. Yes, material. When did that hug, no? We can go inside, go out with that little thing.
No! Come on, behave yourself. Behave yourself.
I'm going in here,
No.
Punking.
Come. Let me show you around.
Jesus Christ! What a hill long!
Come on, step up. I'm so out of order. I can't believe he get a chance to be with such a powerful woman. And yes, he's trying to play games. I'm lucky I never put him in his grave, you know.
Roger Tash Production. New beginning. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah.
Monique.
Ready, Cole?
So what's the face for? You know, we need to talk.
About?
A lot of things. I can't believe they really sell me out.
Sell you out for what? What are you talking about? Sell you out for what?
The Tyson, the Ghetto boy.
Radical, you need to just understand that I am not a child and I'm not going to go over this with you again.
Imagine Tyson come to my house to kill me, and I come to his house and see the same shirt, the same exact shirt when him have on when him pull the gun at me.
So, Radical, let me ask you a question. Did you not send someone to kill him? You don't expect him to retaliate as well?
Who tell you that?
What do you mean? I heard birds of a feather flock together.
And what that's supposed to mean? You know what, Monique? Do as you please. I've been watching over you from your little baby. I know you get big, you put a man over me.
Can't bother with this woman, you know. Can't bother with her. Pebbles, how are you? Could you please come over?
Come on.
I would like to talk to you.
What's up?
Nothing much, how are you?
I'm good.
Girl, you know I'm not going to play hypocrite with you, right?
Yeah, man, go ahead and talk.
How is it that I didn't know that you were a homewrecker?
Excuse me?
I didn't know that you're a homewrecker.
What do you mean by that?
How is it that you're talking to my uncle knowing that that's my aunt's husband? Did you know that my aunt shot Uncle Stepper in his foot?
Your auntie shot Stepper?
Yes, she did.
Huh. Well,
because she heard that you came to the house.
I know my fault that.
Girl, you need to do better. I didn't expect this from you. I'm very disappointed.
But Monique, I know me have to talk to you know. Are your uncle?
What does that supposed to mean?
Figure it out.
Listen, I didn't call you over here to argue, you know. But listen, that's my aunt, and you know that her husband and her has been together for years, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you're going to get in between all of this, we cannot be friends anymore.
So that you really call me over here, so
yes, that's what I call you here for.
Yeah, well, I have more things to deal with. And just remember, say they asked me to kidnap a girl for you, yeah? So figure it out and tell me what you want to do.
Pebbles said, let's not ruin our friendship.
You're better because friends is better than being enemies.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Well, figure it out. How would a mad girl that walk in a people them decent place?
Girl, that's the same bitch I was telling you about.
Is she want me kick now?
Yes, girl.
No man, God working in a mysterious ways, you know. Me can grab a girl now, you know.
Of course I can grab her now.
Alright, not say no more. One everyone radical up your man.
Another one, Bob, Dad.
Bobs! Bobs!
Radical? Yeah, man, forward.
Radical, you know, are you going to look for?
You come look for me for now, boss.
Come for apologize. I feel it's your time for kill one time, though.
Oh, so you just come to your senses now.
Radical, I'm full of sense sometimes. I just love the boy.
But you love someone who never love you.
You ready for kill the boy, hour?
Well, I never know if I can trust all you again, you know.
Well, I'm not run a shop, I'm not run a business. I don't want to hear about no trust.
Alright. We're going to work out something. But take me, I'll give you a second chance.
Radical, you know, far more from come up here. But put them all at me. We have to fix the boy business, man.
How are yourself? I'll give you some money. When you come off of the day, I'll take a taxi to go home. See?
Alright. Drive where you go? You go drive off a chair?
Where you go? Hey girl, are you gonna come find now?
I want this murder!
Yo, now steppers, guess full ready. Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patient me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boat without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Must say mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket it. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock your door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster. Roughest life man grow like a soldier. I'm out of pressure when them put on my shoulder. Man never know a real supporter. Bad luck, what's a down obia. Real governor in a pen, ask Donia. Set man a set it, me no joker. Remember people a fraud, call mocha. Like a ball, me control me emotion. Mind for my money run a program. No, in my face too much door slam, make it out. Them prison trap could no hold man. I used to one pair of shoes. Then I we used to share one plate of food. That's why when I for win me can't lose. That's why man I for win me get no. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard of the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problems, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. That's why man have to win. That's why man have to win. Yeah.